Hello friends, you're all welcome to today's tutorial. Alright, you know what I want to do in today's tutorial is something that is very important actually. A lot of students used to run away from it, okay, because they're completing the square method. I want to use it to solve a quadratic equation. Oh my god, I know many of you did not like completing the square method and it's very simple. Okay, so I'm going to give you a very detailed explanation in such a way that you will remember for the rest of your life. Isn't that good? Oh my god, that's beautiful. Now let's look at this. I want to solve x to the power of 2 minus 6x minus 4 equals to 0, making use of completing the square method. No, I cannot make use of factorization in this process because I can't look for the root of the factorization method cannot work for this, but I can make use of formula method. But instead of that, I am compostering it in this video to use the completing square method to solve the problem. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is mathematics training being coordinated by Tutor Chris. And if you are new to this channel by any means, make sure you subscribe now, invite a friend, and if you find any of my video interesting, make sure you share it with your friend. Okay, now make sure you also like all my videos. You can check my recent and videos. You'll learn a lot. I promise you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, now let's solve this problem now. So given x to the power of 2 minus 6x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, I want to solve this making use of the perfect square. Okay, now the first thing I will do is that I want to collect the like terms, so this will be x to the power of 2 minus 6x, and then I will bring this 4 here. You know that will be 0 plus 4, and 0 plus 4 is same thing as 4. Okay, that's good. Now the next thing I'm gonna do here is that I'll take the half of the coefficient of this, which is 6. Coefficient of x is 6. Okay, I'll take the half of it and square it, and then I will add it to both sides. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. We're having x to the power of 2 minus 6x and then plus, I want to add half of this. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, then I will square it, but don't forget we're having negative 6, not just 6. Okay, I'm having negative 3 to the power of 2 equals to 4. Don't forget I said I'm adding it to both sides, so that will be plus into bracket of negative 3 to the power of 2. I hope you get the scope now. It's not hard, you just have to be calm. Okay, don't worry yourself, we get it. Okay, so what I did again, let me repeat myself, is that I take the half of 6, which is 3, and don't forget this is negative 6, so half of negative 6 will be negative 3, and then I squared it, add it to both sides. You can see that's what I did to both sides. Okay, now let's move on. Negative 3 to the power of 2, that's going to be negative 3 multiplied by negative 3, and that's positive 9. So I'm going to have x to the power of 2 minus 6x and then plus 9, because minus to the power of 2 will give us plus, and 3 to the power of 2 is 9, so I'm having positive 9 equals to, don't forget the right hand side, now that will be 4 plus 9 plus 1. Okay, now if you look at this now, this is going to be equals to 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. So now I can also collect the like times. This will be this will be, I don't even need to collect the like times. This can be expressed in such a way that I can factorize factor out the common factor. Now what am I going to do? Look at this, x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2 minus 6x plus 9. No, this is same thing as x to the power of 2 minus 3x minus 3x plus 9 equals to 13, right? Because now minus 3x is same thing as minus 6x. You can see I've not done something something that look outrageous. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is that I pick x to the power of 2 minus 3x, okay, in bracket minus 3x plus 9 in bracket equals to 13. Okay, that's what we call factorization. And then we look at it, there's something common, that's x into x minus 3, okay, minus 3 into x, sorry, this is 9, don't forget this is 9, okay, minus x minus 3 into bracket of x plus 3 plus 3, right? Oh, is it 3? Okay, minus 3. Okay, that's minus 3, because if you open the bracket you must have positive 9. Notice minus 3x Minus 3 multiplied by x, that's minus 3x. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that's positive 9. You can see now. So equals to 13. And then we're having two common factors here, x minus 3, x minus 3. We pick one, and then this is another x minus 3, right? We add them together. You know this x, this minus 3, that's x minus 3. Okay? Into another bracket, you pick 1 because they are the same, x minus 3 equals to 13. Okay? And then x minus 3 is the same thing as x minus 3 to the power of 2. Okay? But I hope you get that now. I hope you get that. Which is equals to 13. Now, what am I going to do? I want to clear off the power here. So I'm going to square root the both sides. Square root of both sides. So I'm going to have x minus 3, okay, equals to plus or minus square root of 13. Square root of 13. Okay, I'm having plus or minus square root of 13 now. Now, what am I going to do again? That means x will be equals to, if this negative 3 cross the border, it becomes positive. So I'm having 3 plus or minus square root of 13. That's the value for x. And then if you look at this, this means that x equals to 3 plus root of 13, or x equals to 3 minus root of 13, since we said plus or minus. Well, you can make use of a calculator to find that. What's square root of 13? Let me check that. Square root of 13 equals to 3.605555, and then plus 3 equals to 6 points. So this is equals to 6.6056 to 4 decimal places. Okay? Now, and then here now, this is going to be equals to 3 minus square root of 13 is equals to negative 0.606, negative 0.6056, okay, to 4 decimal places. And that's the solution to this problem. I hope you understand how to make use of completing the square method now. So don't forget to subscribe, follow for more interesting videos, and I promise this channel is going to improve you guys. So thank you, see you next time.